Welcome back everybody to FinBear channel. Today we are going to go over, you know it, GNUS International Brands. Ticker is GNUS, and we already know it's my absolutely favorite all-time company in the whole wide world. So let's get started. We're right now on the weekly chart. So each candle constitutes 1 week of trading. I like to look at this, especially at the beginning of the week before market opens, so I get an idea of what the overall movement is of a ticker. It's very, very helpful because the patterns that you find on the larger time frames are stronger than the patterns you'll find on the shorter time frames. They're both valid. They're both valid patterns. But if you see a bearish M, for example, like an M, right? Or a double top on an hourly candle, but that double top is in the handle of a cup and handle on a weekly, then you know that that bearish M, yes, might go down a few points, but overall, it is preparing for a breakout for that bigger cup and handle that is happening on the weekly chart. So that's kind of a little take for you guys, a little nugget for you to remember. The big fish drive the little fish, right? We already know that. Apply the same, fundamentals and ideology to your charts and those intervals. So here we are in the weekly chart. As you can see, GNUS has the capability of being worth a good amount of money. I'm just saying. But here it dropped down. It didn't hit all the way down on that weekly candle. It found some consolidation right here, which was an area of resistance that has now become support. I feel like a broken record because I say that a lot, don't I? That's because it's true. Charts and the market, they have patterns that are reliable and a certain point. So here we go. Let's look. So we've been bouncing off of this and we've been working our way up. And as you can see, this was a solid trend going up. But then when we hit this previous higher high, price got driven down and we hit a new low. Now, would I call this a lower low? No, I would not, because the lowest low is down here. Does it break this smaller trend line? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. But you got to understand that trends are going to do interesting things. You might have multiple trends in a longer trend. I know that sounds a little crazy, like what? Just bear with me. So as you can see here, even though we dipped down, we still did not dip down to this area of support. So now we have a new area of support. And as you can look back, you'll see that, this area of support was also a higher high here and a higher high here. So this area of resistance, oh man, she's going to say it again, is now support. So it's actually a good thing. We are leveling up, and that's what you want to see for growth in a healthy, organic way. So as we continue looking at all this, I thought it was my son. It's my dog. Just darn near like a son. Okay, so as you can see here, Stotch has crossed over and going up, which we already know we've had some good gains the past 2 weeks. RSI is currently at 55.19, which means we are officially in bullish territory. When you cross over 50, you now know where momentum is going. If RSI crosses over this number right here, this RSI point at 67.79, then we definitely have a true breakout happening and a continuation of this RSI trend in the bullish sense. So we'll go from here for this low, up, down, whoop, and making some money. So that is the weekly candle chart. Hourly, let's check it out real quick. I wish if anyone out there knows how to make it not look so crazy every time I go between those two candles, like the candle intervals, that'd be amazing. That's a real way that you can really, really help me. And as you can see, I didn't draw those lines so cleanly on the weekly candle, but you get the idea. So the support's actually down here. And actually, you know what? No, I put the candle where it was meant to be. These are actually wicks on the weekly candle. It's kind of crazy when you think about it that way, but it's true. All right, so as you can see here, we broke this area of resistance. We closed above it. That is a very good sign for us to continue our momentum upward. We see here, RSI was up here. It went down. We had a little bit of divergence here, which we saw because price was up. Price hit a new higher high, but RSI went down. Price continued to go high, it stayed level, and RSI was a little bit lower. But now we see the reversal. RSI is going up, price is going up. These are good signs. I would love to see a continuation on us for us to test about here. Actually, let's go above it. Let's break 228. We break 228. We're in a new area of bullish territory that I am very much looking forward to. If we get some good momentum going up and then we break that, even if we come down a bit and make this our new support, whoo, that's going to be a good day. And now, in fairness, be prepared, just like this, it took 3 candles for this to even attempt to break support, and it came back down. So don't be shocked if a few of these hourly candles are going to touch this and come down, touch and come down, touch, retest, and possibly break through. I am excited for this being our short-term support area. That's a good area. It's solid. I see here we got a bunch of candles holding that strong for us. And as you can see, stock is moving up. Volume could go higher, although we've had some really good previous hours on volume being higher than the average. That is my update on GNUS Brands, the best company in the whole wide world. Please let me know your thoughts on it. Please let me know if you have any information about it that we did not cover or that we as investors might need to know that you're aware of. Knowledge is power. With that, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Please share with your community. Please don't forget to comment and let us know what's going on. And do amazing things. Have an amazing weekend. Be outrageous. Be cool. Do what makes you feel great. And let's go make some money.